Hey, how's it going, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to explain borders in CSS. We'll need some sample elements to work with. I recommend creating an H1 header tag, type in maybe your name, and a paragraph. We'll need a pair of paragraph tags. I'll generate some text by typing lorem, then hitting tab. Let's go to our CSS style sheet. Let's add a border around our H1 element. H1, curly braces. We can select a border style with the border-style property. First, we have solid. Our border is a solid line. There's dashed. We have a dashed line, dotted, double for a double border, groove, ridge, inset, outset, or none. If something has a border naturally, you can remove it. Let's pick a solid border. You can change the width of the border with the border width property. Border-width. By default, it's 1. Let's increase that to 2, or even 3, 4, 5. Border width is for the border thickness. I think 3 would be good for this example. You can change the color with the border color property, then pick a color. I'll use the built-in color picker and use HSL values. Let's go with a purple color. Some like that's good. You can even round the corners with the border radius property. Border-radius. The higher the number in pixels, the more rounded the corners are going to be. That's 5. This is 10. 15, 20. Okay, just out of curiosity, what if we do like 100? Okay, it seems like there's a maximum. You can only round at the corner so far. So it looks like the max is 20. Alright, there's also a shorthand syntax. In place of listing 3 different properties for the style, width, and color, we can do that all at once. Let's eliminate these 3 lines. We'll use shorthand syntax. For the border, I would like 3 pixels, solid. Then I'll list the color and use the color picker. Again, I would like purple. I don't quite remember what we had, but it was something like that. Yeah, that is the shorthand syntax. You type border, the border width, the border style, then the border color. But border radius is still a separate property. Let's add a border to our paragraph now. We will select the p tag. There is directional shorthand syntax. If you want just one of the borders, let's begin with the bottom. Border-bottom. Then we can list a border width, border style, then a color. And this would only apply to the bottom border of our paragraph. Let's go with 3 pixels, solid, then red. But I'm going to pick a more specific kind of red. There we go. So that is border bottom. We're only applying a border to the bottom of our element. Then there's border top. Border-top. Let's go with 3 pixels. Solid again. Then a color. I'll go with yellow. There we are. Border left. 3 pixels. Let's try dotted this time. Then orange. That's good. Then border right. Border-right. 3 pixels. Dotted again. Then I will pick green. It'd be like a light green. There we are. Then we'll set the border radius as well. This would apply for all of the borders. Let's try 10. Not bad. Alright everybody, that is how to create CSS borders.